Imagine arriving home in December, and as soon as you open the door, you're greeted by an atmosphere full of light, purity, and calm. White Christmas decor has something truly special that sets it apart from any other color. It gives off peace, elegance, and a winter vibe that brings to mind snow in those dreamy holiday landscapes. Decorating your home in white doesn't just make it look beautiful. It creates a unique atmosphere that invites you to relax, share, and feel the magic of the season. Using white at Christmas doesn't mean everything has to feel cold or monotonous. On the contrary, it's an opportunity to play with textures, shimmer, and details that make your home's personality stand out. White has the advantage of blending with any style: modern, classic, minimalist, or rustic. That means you don't have to replace all your decorations or furniture to get a harmonious holiday look. Adding just a few key white elements like garlands, pillows, tablecloths, ornaments, or candles can completely transform the atmosphere. This color also reflects natural and artificial light, making spaces feel larger, brighter, and more inviting, perfect for smaller homes or apartments with limited sunlight. Another benefit of white at Christmas is that it helps you create a sophisticated feel without spending a fortune. With simple, well-chosen decorations, you can evoke luxury and refinement. For example, a white Christmas tree, whether natural with faux snow or fully artificial, can be the focal point of your living room. Decorating it with silver, gold, icy blue, or even light wood accents creates elegant contrasts that catch the eye while maintaining the serene effect of white. White also carries a strong symbolism during this time of year. It's tied to purity, hope, and new beginnings, which makes it perfect for closing one chapter and opening another with fresh energy. Bringing it into your decor doesn't just beautify your home, it can also help you feel that renewal and emotional calm we all crave at the end of the year. It even works as a blank canvas where each family member can add their own touch of color, turning decorating into a shared experience. A practical tip is to start with the Christmas tree. If you already have a green one, add faux snow or all-white ornaments to achieve that winter effect. Use warm lights so the space doesn't feel too cold. White paired with soft yellow or gold lighting creates a much cozier atmosphere. Adding white ribbons, bows, or garlands also helps everything look cohesive and elegant. Lights are another key element. Warm white string lights draped across windows, staircases, shelves, or mirrors create a magical winter feel. If you prefer a more modern vibe, opt for cool white lights for a sleek, contemporary look. White candles, large or small, grouped on decorative trays alongside pine branches, painted pine cones, or metallic ornaments add warmth and elegance. White doesn't have to stand alone. It pairs beautifully with silver, gold, light blue, green, and even pops of red for a more classic feel. If you're worried everything might look too uniform, add texture. Natural wood, glass, ceramic, and soft textiles give depth and richness. For instance, hanging white wreaths on doors with touches of natural greenery and linen ribbons creates a fresh, elegant look. You can also bring white into smaller decorations. Ceramic white star or snowflake figurines for shelves and tables, glass jars filled with coarse salt to mimic snow with candles inside, or centerpieces made from white painted branches are simple, budget-friendly ideas that look sophisticated. Even kids can get involved in DIY projects like painting pine cones, branches, or ornaments white so the whole family contributes to the holiday atmosphere. Another perk of decorating in white is how easy it is to reuse the decorations after the holidays. Many white pieces can stay as part of your winter decor, or even year-round if you like bright, neutral spaces. That means you're not just saving money but also reducing disposable decor and living a bit more sustainably. You can even bring touches of white into the kitchen or bathroom. In the kitchen, fill jars with white holiday candies, use mugs with snowflake designs, or hang light-colored kitchen towels. In the bathroom, white towels with festive details and aromatic candles can give a discreet but charming holiday feel. The key is to give each space a small nod to the season without losing function or overloading it. You can extend this style to your entryway by adding a light-colored rug with winter patterns, a coat rack wrapped in white garlands, and a tall vase filled with snowy branches and warm lights. In the living room, layer different white textures: wool, velvet, chunky knits to echo snow. Add a couple of white lanterns with LED candles for a safe, cozy glow. Place small white ceramic houses lit from within on shelves for a charming, budget-friendly holiday village effect. If you don't have space for a tree, A vase of white painted branches with silver ornaments can be an elegant alternative. Your dining room can go even further with a crisp white tablecloth and metallic runners. A simple centerpiece, a white tray with candles of varying heights, painted pine cones and natural greenery, feels festive but not cluttered. Tie white ribbons with little pine sprigs around your chairs for a subtle but noticeable upgrade. The bedroom can join in too. Swap out bedding for lighter colors, add snowflake embroidered pillows, and string warm lights around the headboard for a relaxing yet festive vibe. Hang a small white wreath on the bedroom door or above the bed for a discreet touch. If you have stairs, the railing is perfect for decor. Drape white garlands with warm lights, hang star ornaments, and tie soft fabric ribbons. Mix in eucalyptus branches with faux snow and linen ribbons for a more organic look. The bathroom, often forgotten, benefits from white holiday towels, a pine-scented diffuser, and candles. A jar of white ornaments or painted branches on the counter completes the look. Play with different white finishes. Not everything has to be matte. Mix glossy, pearlescent, satin, and even lightly glittered whites to add depth. For example, alternate matte and shiny ornaments, plus a few clear ones with white details on the tree to make it more dynamic. If you're worried about maintenance, choose easy care materials. Removable pillow covers, stain-resistant tablecloths, and plastic or ceramic decor instead of delicate fabrics make life simpler so you can enjoy your decorations without stress. White also works well for inspirational messages. Hang small frames with holiday sayings in gold lettering on a white background, use chalkboards with white chalk messages, or hang ornaments with words like peace, love, or hope. These details reinforce the symbolism of the color and add intention to your space. Don't forget sound and scent. White decor with warm lighting, vanilla or cinnamon candles, and soft holiday music transforms your home into a cozy, joyful retreat. It's not just visual, it's a full sensory experience. One of the biggest advantages of white Christmas decor is how it instantly creates a sense of unity. Because it's a neutral base, it ties together spaces that might otherwise feel disconnected. For example, maybe your living room is modern but your kitchen has a rustic touch. Adding white accents in both creates a visual thread that makes your whole home feel cohesive. This unity is very welcoming for guests and makes holiday gatherings feel more intentional and curated. White also acts as an incredible backdrop for sentimental or heirloom pieces. Many people have Christmas ornaments that have been passed down for years or handmade items from their children. When you decorate mainly in white, these colorful or unique items stand out like jewels on a snowy canvas. This means you don't have to give up tradition to achieve a modern, elegant look. You're actually highlighting what matters most. Another benefit is that white decor often feels less cluttered. The holiday season can bring a lot of visual noise, bright colors, busy patterns, and tons of decorations. Choosing white as your main color simplifies everything without losing impact. Your home feels calmer, cleaner, and more spacious, which is especially helpful if you're hosting family and friends and want the environment to feel serene rather than overwhelming. White also makes it easier to play with lighting. Because it reflects rather than absorbs, you can experiment with different kinds of lights to set various moods. Soft yellow or amber fairy lights create a golden glow that feels cozy and nostalgic. Cool-toned LED lights give off a frosty, modern vibe reminiscent of ice and snow. You can even layer both, warm lights on the tree and cool lights in window garlands, to create dimension. The result is magical and completely customizable. Let's look at specific areas of the home and how white can be used creatively. In the foyer or entryway, think of white as a way to create a gentle transition from the outside world into your holiday haven. A simple white console table with a mirror above it, draped in a snowy garland with small white LED lights, becomes an instant statement. Add a basket of rolled-up white blankets or scarves for guests on chilly days, and you've created both a visual and functional welcome. When the season ends, many of these white decorations still look good. You can leave them up to maintain that cozy winter feel or store them knowing next year you'll have a neutral base to reinvent your holiday decor with other colors. This saves time, money, and effort each season. Ultimately, decorating your home with white for Christmas is about much more than aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that radiates peace, purity, elegance, and warmth. It's about maximizing light and space, playing with textures and symbolism, and enjoying the process of transforming each corner of your home. With a few strategic changes, You can turn your house into a postcard-worthy holiday setting. And the best part is you don't need a huge budget or professional design skills, just the willingness to experiment and add your personal touch.